by the man himself. We have the opening ceremony on July 26th, and guess what? The outfits are made by Tarun Teheliani.
Perhaps when they were in blue sherwanis, whatever, I said no. We have to put them in the colors of our tricolor. It so happened then that we found out that this year, Paris being Paris, and the French must do things differently. They're not marching around the stadium, they're coming down barges down the Seine. So I guess all of the banks will be lined. And then I saw the visual of the Indian tricolor fluttering in the wind, and this whole 100, 200 athletes behind. They had to be in orange, white, and green with little touches of blue. But then we obviously had many different considerations. It could be boiling in Paris in June.
Absolutely.
I mean,
Yeah.
July, every year has been a huge heat wave. It's going to be for 3 or 4 hours. I don't know how stable the environment's going to be, so they had to be in kits. And anyway, they're athletic teams. And so we decided to, through much deliberation, thinking, to put them in bundis, which is one of the things we love, which I live in, so I'm most familiar with it, with a short sporty kurta, unveiled last Sunday. So they were, a couple of them dressed in. And in fact, the women kept saying, why can't we wear that? But I think the committee wanted again, you can say it's obvious for Indian women to wear a sari, but the committee wanted Indian women to be in a sari to represent, because the whole world knows us tricolor bindis to put on them. It's really fun. Sadly, we don't have any ready. And then as a little quirky twist, we put them in Banarsi gold brocade.
Where is the brocade?
Keds, they're Keds. Do we have a pair of Keds? I'd love to show them. I mean, they're dull gold, more like the tussar gold. Everything's breathable. This is in lovely cotton moss, and yet it has a thicker feel like a tussar. It's not, it's cotton, so that it tailors well.
So how many of these did you make, Tarun?
I think we
how
have
many
made
people
about
are going to be wearing them?
200 odd, I think 300, because they have the athletes and the extra athletes. I'm sure they have reserves. So 300 people on a barge with that big flag.
300 people. How long did it take for you to be doing this from start to end?
Well, actually, we started in Jan of Feb, but then there were delays because the committee had to meet, and then there were elections, and all these things impact high-level government decisions. After being here for 30 years, things have gone wrong. Music systems have exploded halfway through a show. Once there was a cloud burst, and the show had to stop.
You've pretty much seen everything.
And I'm still worried about what if it's 45 degrees, I mean, think of Delhi 2 weeks back, it's standing on a barge for 3 hours. So we were really scrambling to get measurements. We said we can't do a standardized pattern because even just that day at the press conference, there was a hockey player, Sardar, who must have been 6'3". There was another gentleman who probably was in the javelin or shot, but he was
the
much.
whole range of physical
So,
attributes.
again, India is like Europe. That there was a big sporting event in Delhi and the bridges fell down and there was chaos and things were flooded, and we were quite an embarrassment in the eyes of the world. That's not going to happen anymore. I mean, I don't think we're going to jump to 100 medals, but there's a whole different effort in the way we feel and therefore care to project ourselves and how we want to do this. A different competitive spirit.
We've also happened to catch him in action while he's sketching.
I'm kind of just doodling over, a designer is never satisfied. You think, what could I have done differently? Should I have changed this? It's just a doodle. These are many different iterations that happened. And when we were doing research with the team on what other countries wear and their athletes, it really works with the lining and the brass, and it's a cool, it feels cool. It feels cool, it feels sporty. This could only come out, And then these are the tapes we did, which actually look beautiful on your neck, I must tell you.
I have a custom-made TT choker.
Taswa choker.
Taswa choker by the man himself, made just in a minute. So
with this lovely piece of silver and green. So for me, this is exactly it. It's Indian, it's modern. You mix and match. We mix and match, right? We speak in English, but we're Indian. So we're complex and we do all these things and we mix it all up, and I wanted the uniform to represent that. Anytime when Mummy or Nani says, they're like, please, it's not your bridal, it's my bridal. Okay, that's how they talk to them. This is a moment in time when India feels very good, and the consciousness and, as a dynamic nation that has gone through a lot, but now, is ready to go to the next level and it's acknowledged around the world. It's a different moment. So there's a lot of national pride in what people want to wear and how they look and comfort with, you know.
And young India is all about being carefree, restless, adventurous, and always seeking more. And we hope that our Olympic team does just that.